All right, language explorer. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So weather, weather, and wither. Yes. So weather, the rain, sun, clouds. The weather, yes, here we are. Yes, look at that. The weather. The weather will be cold. The weather is nice today. Nice today. I think the weather will turn cold in the winter. The weather is normally hot in the summer. Normally at this time of the year the weather is hot. Yeah. But whether, if something will happen or not. I don't know whether to go to Spain or Gibraltar. I don't know whether to go there or stay here. Go there or stay here. Like a choice. A choice. Yeah. I don't know whether it'll happen or not. It might happen. It depends. Whether it says or not, I'll still go. Whether the tea is hot or cold, I will still drink it. Whether it is hot or cold, I'll still drink the tea. So whether, maybe this or whether that, yeah. But wither, when something slowly dies. The plants will wither without water. It might wither without any sun. Yeah. I think the defences just slowly withered away, slowly died. The bread, well, the flowers withered over time. They all withered away, slowly died and disappeared. Yeah, it will wither over time. The weeds will wither over time without their roots. How cool is that, language explorers? So weather, and wither. Wither. Yeah. So can you use them in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.